Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic cheesecake. Now when I say basic, I don't mean
you're basic.
I mean it's a simple recipe that once you master opens up unfathomable varieties.
Unfathomable. It's without fathom. Wow. Yeah.
I'll show you all the varieties I've come up with so far at the end of this video. So let's get started. Measure out your 150 grams of digestive biscuits and crush them any way you like. You're looking for breadcrumb consistency. Next, melt your 500 grams of butter and pour that into your biscuits and combine. Test the base first by smooshing it all to the one side of the bowl and press it with the back of the spoon. If it's too oily, then add a couple more crushed biscuits. If it's too dry, then add a little bit more melted butter in stages. Once your base is ready, put it in the fridge and work on your filling next. Start by whipping up 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 300 milliliters of double cream that you have stiff peaks. Remember, we're adding more ingredients later and we don't want a runny filling. If you end up with scrambled egg looking cream like I did one time, it was one time mum, then you've gone too far and you've f***ed up. Don't worry though, as you can still save it by adding a little more cream and then whisking it by hand to correct it. Put the cream back in the fridge and now work on your cheese section of the filling. Add 150 grams of soft cheese, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of icing sugar into a bowl and combine. Now add the cream to this mixture in stages. And your filling is complete. Add the filling to your chilled base. And there you have it, a basic recipe that you can turn into this. I don't have a playlist called Cheesecake for Days for nothing, my fellow YouTubers. Please tell me who makes your favourite cheesecakes down below in the comments, and I'll see you there. Opens up unfathomable varieties. Stop it. Bye.